Hello. Now that we have understood how do we generate PDFs from Google Sheets using one tab, let's try to understand how do we generate PDF from multiple tabs of Google Sheets. So let's say we want to include this, and this sheet together in one PDF. I'll not be working on the formatting of this sheet. I'll just show you how to use the plugin to generate PDF of multiple sheets put together. So if we go back to download PDF, we have this method where we have given the spreadsheet ID, the tab name, the range, and so on and so forth. So the only thing that we'll have to change is we can remove the range. For multiple sheets, it's always the full range of the sheet, and we cannot specify a particular range. The change is we'll have to give multiple tab names separated by a comma. So I'll just copy this, go here, copy this, copy the third sheet and paste it here. Let's also change the name of the PDF because this is no more invoice. We can give it as test PDF. Now let's change the name here as well, test PDF, and let's see if this works fine. Let me refresh. Let me click on this button. In a couple of seconds, the PDF should be generated and downloaded. And here it is. So as we can see, we have 3 pages, each one containing the contents from the 3 tabs of our Google Sheets. This, and this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact support@rit7.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.